your right hand on that leg. Good. And you feel that leg come under, kind of give her a little, see? Watch. I'm going to watch my right hand and feel her right in her leg, okay? Up, 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 up. Lift and draw, lift and draw. Now watch my left hand. Keep your left leg busy. And to my left hand like that. Okay? Now you don't want to pull. I don't want to say I pull you around, because I'll pull back and I'll get dog. Okay? And you want to have that little feel like you're reeling in a trout. You don't want to break the line. Okay? You don't want to just jerk it and break the line, right? Now get your left leg busy and take it to your right hand. There. Okay, now face me. Yeah. Take your rein. Okay. Maybe some reins on. Put your hand on it. We'll leave on it, okay? Okay. Now start it. Keep going. Keep after it. 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 Bang it. Take the hair off of it. There you go. Let her go in the front. There you go. Now let it come go on. Relax. Now again. Take off. Nope, nope, don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going. That's what's going to make her reach around and grab you by the tibia and bite the crap out of you. Keep going. Keep going. That's the gate. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Trot her. Trot her. Keep going. Keep going. Trot her. Trot her. There. See, you're giving up. I saw you give up 50 times there. Before I come down.